Hi, my name is Matthew Christian from Tampa, Florida, and on behalf of Expert Village, we're going to talk about the proper use of a hammer drill. Once you've determined the size drill bit that you need, you can go ahead and install your drill bit. This particular drill requires a key for the chuck. What we'll do is we'll open the chuck enough to get our drill bit in. Once you have the chuck opened enough, you insert the drill bit. Also being sure to insert the drill bit not necessarily all the way, but close to it. You don't want the drill bit only in slightly. You want the drill bit get enough in there so the chuck has something to hold on to. So we install the drill bit, and now we're going to tighten the chuck. Give it a good snug tighten, but also turn the chuck over to the next hole and give it another snug tighten, and then once again. And by doing so, this will ensure that you have the chuck tightened evenly and securely on your drill bit. Now, the chuck that we just used had a key. Some models have a keyless chuck, and you simply hold the chuck as you tighten or loosen the chuck. Hence, doesn't require a key. Both are just as good, just some models have a keyless chuck and others use a key.